Chris Fawkes from BBC Weather is here with me. Chris, just explain for us, what exactly is El Nino?
OK, El Nino is where we get a warming of the tropical Pacific Ocean. We need temperatures to be about half a degree above average to get an El Nino, and those temperature anomalies have to be with us for about half a year. We've got the El Nino at the moment. It's a really strong one. Temperatures are actually about 2.4 degrees Celsius above average. So it's not quite as hot as the 1998 El Nino, nor the 2003 El Nino, or the early 80s El Nino, I should say. But it's up there. I think it's the third strongest El Nino that we've had. And this throws weather patterns right the way around the world into havoc. It creates fewer Atlantic hurricanes, more typhoons and stronger typhoons, and also affects the weather across parts of Africa as well.
Right, and specifically we were looking there at this terrible drought in Ethiopia, and down in part then to El Nino phenomenon.
Yeah, scientists have linked that warm water in the Pacific Ocean, even though it's thousands of miles away, to the drying or the poor rains that we have in Ethiopia in the general Sahel region.
People now in that whole region are going to be wondering what the outlook is. How bad is it going to persist being like this?
Well, the big problem for Ethiopia is, like a good part of the world, their rains are seasonal. And in Ethiopia, the rains come in the summertime. So they kind of follow the sun northwards and southwards as it journeys across the equator. Or in other words, they get the bulk of their rainfall during the summer months. So we're talking about really from June through to September. We're past that now. The dry season is just starting. They don't get much rainfall between now and next June. So this dry season is certainly going to feel like a very, very long one. They'll have to wait till summer next year to get some respite from these drought conditions as those food stockpiles continue to get run down.